How to zoom in 15x on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. By default, the camera opens in photo mode with a standard 1x zoom level. You can tap on the preset zoom options, such as 2x, to quickly magnify the view. For more precise control and to zoom further, press and hold on the zoom level indicator. This action will reveal a zoom wheel on your screen, allowing for fine adjustments. Now, you can slide your finger up or down along the wheel to zoom in or out smoothly. As you can see, you can magnify the image significantly, going up to 10x digital zoom. Note that the maximum zoom level available may vary depending on your iPhone model. Following these steps, you can easily zoom in while using the camera on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.